This conference will now be recorded.
So let me recap what we have discussed yesterday in 10-15 minutes, and then we'll continue. Because yesterday it was not recorded, let me show you the discussion what happened yesterday. So we have created a purchase order and we did product receipt but not invoiced. Then in this case we can do correction. I have created a purchase order and product receipt, confirmed purchase order and then product receipt but not invoiced. In this case we can do corrections or cancel also. There are two options. Let it be open. In the same manner for the sales order invoice also, purchase order confirmation, product receipt, and then invoice is not executed. In this stage, if you want to do correction, then we can do before invoicing. If it is invoiced, you will not be allowed to modify that one. It is purchase returns only. Okay. In the same manner, sales order confirmation is not mandatory. Packing slip, and here in this stage, if you want to do correction, yes, we can. System will allow you to do the corrections. Let me show you those two options in the system. And one more thing, from Monday onwards, I'm combining both finance and T&L together. That means from 26th April onwards, it will be both finance and T&L together. It will be continued. So the session will be 6 to 8 o'clock for finance, for T&L people. So I hope there is no issue for who is joining only for T&L. Okay. So for 7 to 8 days, it will be combined together. So the common topics and as well as company creation process, everything I will discuss. So from Monday onwards, next coming Monday onwards, it will be together, 26th onwards. It is taking this much time. It is not required. So yesterday we have created purchase orders and did product receipt. I will use the same and I will try to show you the explanation what we can do for the corrections. So I'm going to this procurement and sourcing purchase orders, all purchase orders. Okay, the form is open here. So already product receipt material purchase orders, we'll see. Rather than wasting our time to create a purchase order, already existing one I'm showing you. Okay, I'm taking here like received, it is all are invoiced. Let me take one in received material purchase order 600 or 625, but I want more quantity, multiple quantity. Let me try to do it from 625. Otherwise you can create, no issues. So this status is purchase order status is received. So I'm just opening this one rather than creating. Now let me verify how many quantity we have received. Okay, we have received 3. Okay, now let me go to product receipt. Let me verify the voucher is exist or not. Okay, so it was received and it was updated the amount. Now this is by mistake I did it. Instead of 2 quantity I did for 3. This is my mistake and I want to rectify. So in any global ERP you cannot modify directly. You cannot modify directly. You can do reversal entry or correction entry. Reversal entry or correction entry only. Any transaction posted to finance. If this transaction is posted, you cannot modify. As I told you, if it is invoiced, you cannot do anything. Means we can do it as a purchase returns. Well, you have learned already purchase returns. Now it was not invoiced, it is only product receipt is updated. Product receipt is updated for 3 quantity. Okay, so this I need to rectify before invoicing. I need to rectify to 2 quantity. Then you can click here correct. So in this purchase order we did product receipt. So in this journals, product receipt journal, so we know like 3 quantity received. As we have not executed invoice, system is allowing to correct this one or cancel. Cancel means the entire quantity will be removed. If you want correction, you can click on correction. You can click on correction and you can modify the quantity. You can enter the quantity. You can enter the quantity. Look at this one. So I'm just modifying this quantity to 2. Then it is telling like quantity to be reversed. So -1 will be updated in the system. I'm clicking OK. Because the final invoice is not generated, we are doing correction. If it is invoice, then we have alternative solution is purchase returns. Only one solution, purchase returns. Once it is correction is updated, then if you verify the voucher for one transaction, it will be reversed. Debit will be credited, credit will be debited for one quantity. Usually it will not take this much time. So I'm not sure. Let me close this application and let me reopen. Then it will work a little bit faster. It will take max to max in real-time scenario 2 seconds, not more than that. Okay, now if you verify the lines details, it will show you two quantity. Earlier it is 3, now it was 2. So if you verify the voucher, it will show you the vouchers details with the reversal entry for one quantity. The value, whatever it is there, it will be reversed. Look at this one. This is debit, now it was credit. It was earlier it is credit, now it was debit for one quantity. It will be voucher adjustments also will be executed. In the same manner, whatever the way you understood for the purchase order process correction, I mean to say during product receipt, same process in the sales order also. Let me show you quickly the sales order. Sales orders. Okay. This one I would like to close. Okay, so let me show you the product received quantity. So here it is delivered is there status. Okay, this one I'm taking. This is all our returns, sales returns. Just I'm looking for order with the multiple quantity. So the status is should be delivered. So let me take this one 754. So if you go to pick and pack tab, so it was packing slip is updated. You can go to this packing slip and you can do the corrections. Because the status is delivered, you can go for correction here. If you want to cancel completely, you can cancel this one. Okay, clear? Any doubt here? Okay, this yesterday we have discussed, and one more topic. This is MRP I have discussed. Let me show you the impact quickly. Otherwise, I will show you the topic tomorrow. Kumar, one more small topic I have explained. That will be, I will show you tomorrow once again. Today, let me explain you the new topic, sales commissions.
Okay, thank you.
Today we'll discuss on sales commissions. Sales commissions. Okay. So let me explain you the concept first, sales commissions, and then we'll show you in this. I will show you in the system. It is simple one only. If you go to any shopping mall, or if you go to electronic shops, then if you are looking at Samsung LED, then immediately one person will approach you and he will try to explain you the features of Samsung. Then simply you moved from Samsung LED to LG LED. Then once again this person will leave and one more person will approach you and he will try to explain you. The reason behind, they are going to receive a commissions against sales. They will get a commission against sales. So that commissions, how to calculate in the system, we'll see. Now understood the commissions means the sales representatives, they will demonstrate about the product whenever if you are looking at that one. Even if you are going to refrigerator, if you are planning to purchase a refrigerator, then automatically each brand will have one sales representative. They will try to demonstrate about that product, the features, so that if you are impressed and if you are purchasing that product, they will get some commission on sales. So that is sales commissions. And for this sales commissions, that means company or client is providing commission to employee. Commission is like commissions is given to employees by the client. Okay, so let me recap. So always we need to imagine like employees means this is the client where you are implementing the product. This client will have employees. So whenever you are selling an item to the customer, then sales commissions will be like some percentage of the commission will be given to their employees. That is sales commissions. Okay, that is sales commissions. Now, so we need employee means if you want to calculate commissions in the system, employee should be exist. Employee should be exist. So in this Dynamics AX, even though whether you are using payroll process or not, the employee payroll process, whether you are using in Dynamics AX or not, you can use third-party application also, but employee master should be created in the system. In Dynamics AX, employee master should be created, not only for sales commissions, even for production process, for project management and accounting. For these kind of I mean to say these modules, we need employee master. Employee master should be created. Okay, so if it is a very simple straightforward, maybe a finance consultant or SCM consultant will take care about this employee master in the system. Simple process. If it is payroll process also included in the ERP means implementation process, then there will be a separate consultant will be working on HR and payroll process. Now, this employee in the system in Dynamics AX, we have two types of employees. One is contract employee, contractor, another one is permanent employee. Okay, these two are together called workers. So in Dynamics AX, this is linked to HR. Let me show you this one quickly. Just 2 minutes. I want to explain about HR module, and I will come back to our regular session. Okay, so in this we have module called human resources. In this human resources, we have workers. In these workers, you will find one is employees, one is contractors, and all together, if you want to see, it is workers. Okay, if you click on employees, means it is only permanent employees will come into the picture in this data. If you click on contractors, means only contract employee. What is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Means payroll process will be executed for this employee in this client only. Contract employee means salary will not be given by this company. They have a third party consultancy. Through consultancy they are working. Understood? This is consultancy employee. So payroll will not be given, payroll will not be processed in that company. This is a contract employee, and this is employee means permanent employee. Payroll process will be executed and employee benefits will be given to this employee. Okay, these two together is workers. Now sales commission will be executed for both contract employee and contractors, and as well as employees also, permanent employees also. So in AX 2009 oldest version, in AX 2009 there is no separation kind of like this. It is all are permanent employees only. There is no classification in the oldest version AX 2009. From AX 2012 onwards it is the classification is available. Just simple information. Okay, if it is employee, then payroll process will be enabled. I mean to say payroll buttons will be enabled and payroll process can be executed. Okay, this payroll process will be enabled for permanent employees. If it is a contractors, this payroll process will not be like this pay statement will not be visible. It will be disabled. Very small information. So anyhow, you are not going to work as a HR consultant, but you need, if it is in case, if it is required, you need to look at this one. Workers. Let me show you contractors, so that contract employee will not be will not have access for this one. So contract employees, Not sure like what it is this process, but it will not be employee process. The process will not be executed for contract employees. Okay, it should be disabled. It should not be disabled. It should not be visible. I'm not sure. Okay, so that is the major difference. Okay, now for this commissions, we can execute for both employees, whether it is a contract employee or permanent employee, we can process. Okay, now coming to the our regular topic, commissions. So sales and marketing, commissions, commission calculation. Okay, so here commission calculation. So the commissions can be provided based on multiple options. Let me show you. Click on edit. The basic process is here whether you want based on the revenue or margin. So revenue means the sales value. Margins means what is the profit I'm getting, gross profit. So usually we will not show this percentage of the margin to the representatives. We'll try to show you the revenue account. That means, take the example, I have purchased at the rate of 400 or 40,000. I have purchased at the rate of 40K. This is cost price. Take the example, this is the cost price. And sales price is 50K. Now, if you map based on the revenue means on 50,000, I will give 2% commission to the representatives. Okay, this is one calculation. This is based on revenue. Next one is margin. So here on margin, I will give 25%. Margin means 50K minus 40K, that is 10K. This is 25%. So if I'm showing like this, so like sales representatives, they are clearly understand like what is the profit I'm going to get it. So always sales representatives will try to favor maximum to the customer rather than company. This is realistic, like this is a fact in real time scenario. Always they will try to favor to the customer as much as possible, so that they can get more business from the customers. Customer Devo Bhava. Okay, so that is the reason usually we will not use this function. Usually it will be this one in real time scenario, but system has flexibility, revenue or margin. And what is the percentage? Next, here whether you want before line discount, after line discount, after total discount. That means entire discounts is there. Once it is discounts is calculated, it will be calculated. Suppose in this I have given 2000 as a discount, then it will be calculated on 48,000. Commission will be calculated on 48,000. That's what here. After total discount. Okay, and effective from date. So let me make it up to 2022. I'm making up to 22. Okay, this is setups. Now here, whenever you are creating, there are options: table group all, table group all, and a table group all. So here it is, table is not there, group all. So I will create new one so that it will not be mixed with the all. So here, whether you want for all items or specific item or group, you can select. So if you select table, it will allow you to select item master. For which item you want to do the calculation. If you map group, item group, then here, this is not normal regular item group, this is commission item group. That means in this we have item groups can be created in the sales commissions. Let me show you. Sales and marketing, collapse all, sales commissions. In this, here item groups are there. These item groups are here. Whatever it is there, this one. Look at this one. You can create commission groups. This is commission item groups. Okay, if you select all, it will be all for all. Clear? This table group all. In the same manner, customer. If you select customer table, it will allow you to select the customer account. Okay, if you select group, this is not customer group directly, whatever you have created, this is commissions customer groups. In this, customer groups for commissions. So you can create customer group commissions. Like I will create, suppose, Hyderabad customers or wholesale customers or retail customers. So if you create customer group, you can attach this customer group to the customer. In the same manner, for item also it will be attached. Okay, you can select customer group, customer or customer group or all. If it is all, system will not allow you to modify. Correction. For sales representative, group and all. So there is no separate sales representative. Look at this one. Sales groups. So for one person, I will give in general. So I can create 101 sales US, and you can go to general tab. I can map the sales representative name here. Sales representative, I can map the percentage, 100%. In some situations, why it was given like this, there are some other scenarios also. In some companies, so this 2% commission, whatever it is there, revenue. So as I told you, this commission, margin commission is very rare scenario. So sales commission, it is 2%. So on 48,000, it is, I'm going to receive, suppose 960 rupees or dollars. 960 is the commission. For easy calculation, what I will do, I will remove this discount. So 50K means, it is 2% means 1,000. $1,000 are coming, whatever it may be, rupees or whatever it may be. Okay, now this commission out of 1,000 rupees, out of commission 1,000 rupees, now 900 will be given to representative, and sales manager will be given for 100. If it is this case, this can be achieved in this system. In this sales representative group, go to sales representative. I can map representative name 90%, manager 10%. Understood? This is possible. If it is only directly 100% to the commission to the customer, like employee means, it will be directly, you can map 100%. Otherwise, if you want, you can map, split into two multiple people. One is sales, like sales representative, another one is sales general manager kind of thing. Suppose I'm telling you, manager or general manager or any person, there is hierarchy. If you want like this, it is 90% and it is 10%. This is 90%, this is 10%. Understood? Can anyone respond yes or no, please? At least anyone?
Yes.
Fine. So now, as per your requirement, you can configure. If it is, suppose you have created item group. Suppose you have created item groups for commission. Then this item group can be mapped in the released product, because this is item group. So how system can understand means, so if you go to released products, it's not there. Let me go to product information management, released products. Okay, in this, if you go to item inside, sales tab or sell fast tab. Give me a second, it is opening. Okay, in this, if you go to sell fast tab, we can map here commission group. You can map the commission groups. If it is item group, commission group. In the same manner, for customer also, we can go to customers, accounts receivable customers or sales and marketing customers, anything is fine. Same customers. For this also, commission group, if you want, you can map here. This is only setups. Setups, it will take some time, just 10-15 minutes. After that, calculation is 5 minutes. I will show you. For customer also, we can map customer commission group. Okay, and see here, commission item group, but the form name is, menu name is item groups. If you click item groups, it will open commission item group. Okay, there is a mismatch between, this is called menu item, this is called menu item, this is called form name. So these two are not sync each other. Actually, this is a small kind of cosmetic bug. Okay, let me go to the customers. So I will take US 015. For US 015, we can map the group. So in this past tabs, you will find it should be like sales demographic orders. Yeah, here sales orders commission. Understood? We can map. So I'm mapping this retail customers. Okay, I'm mapping retail customers. So now I will do like a new one. This is I'm keeping as it is. I'm taking new. So for all items, for customer group, I'm creating this customer group, retail customer, because retail customer means we have mapped the customer like US015 retail customer. Okay, and then for representative, whatever it is there, 01. Okay, now I'm mapping, suppose 5%. 5% I'm mapping. This is from 01/01/21 to so 12/31/2022. Okay, I'm making like this. I have created for retail customer group for sales representative 001 because we have already created sales representative. Let me go to this sales representatives groups. This one, if you go inside, employee was mapped, one employee. So for this employee, it is Barbara something. It is there. I hope this guy is not retired. I mean to say, not resigned. Okay, person. Fine. This is employee we have mapped. Okay. Now we understood three setups like here in this. We understood calculation method and we understood like customer group, commission, item group for commission, sales representatives. Now commission posting. This ledger account should be posted to one ledger account. So the transaction should be posted to ledger account 602150 and commission offset account is like this 20110 account. This is final postings. Commissions postings we have mapped. Now we will do creation of sales order and we will try to understand the commissions, how it is calculating. Sales and marketing, sales orders, all sales orders. I'm creating a new sales order for customer US 015. US 015, let me select. Selecting site and warehouse. Click OK. So from Monday onwards, I would like to combine both batches, finance and T&L. So please bear with me. 6 to 8 o'clock. The session will be 6 to 8 o'clock for a few days. Okay, fine. Now I'm selecting item. So in the commission calculation, I have mapped for all items for customer group and representative group. Customer group means retail customer. In this retail customer group, we have mapped customer US 015. Okay, so let me go to quantity, and for easy calculation, I am making a rounding figure 2000. Okay, then it will be 4000. Now you can see in the header level, if you go to header level, you can see that whatever you have mapped, that will be populated here. Okay, so credit limit, this you will understand on Monday, next coming Monday. I need to explain for both batches. Okay, so let me correct it now. For US 015 customer, I would like to modify the credit limit. This is to be frankly finance topic, but I will explain to you for both finance and T&L team together. So let me make it 2 more zeros. Just I'm updating credit limit. Fine. Now, if you refresh, that will be gone because I have updated credit limit. Okay. There will not be an issue now. Furthermore, now if you go to here, scroll down. Look at this one. It is showing sales representative group and retail customer group. That is commission group. It is coming. And then the line details, item group will be shown. Setup. Commission group. Okay. It will show you here. Now, let me do packing slip and invoice. So the percentage we have mapped 5%. So 5% will be calculated as a commission. This is a small topic, but it is most useful in your implementations, if in case they are using commissions. So click OK. Okay, now invoicing. During packing slip, there will not be any commission calculations. Even it is enabled post packing slip in ledger, even it is enabled, that will not calculate. During invoice only it will be calculated commissions. click OK. So it will show you the printout is not selected. Okay, no issues. Once it is posted, you can verify the invoice, voucher, if you verify the voucher, commissions also will be calculated. So these two entries are related to commissions. If you verify the percentage, it will be shown 200. Understood? Any doubt here? This is a simple topic, but useful, most useful in a real-time scenario. We can map the commissions. Yeah. Anyone has any doubts, anything to discuss? Nothing to discuss? Clear? Okay. Then in that case, I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow. Tomorrow I will show you once again like MRP process, and I will continue the next topic. Just I will show you the MRP process yesterday what we have discussed, and we'll continue the new topic. Fine. So please join for finance. Whoever is joining for finance, please join the finance course, finance session. Okay. See you all.